Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indojinil no wakwezonu.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunon Soul Captures. Ndibanye, Anamekelonu. Apambo Chukunon Soul Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo name of the day giveaway. And so you already know how we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're here to give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's hear it for Rosemary. That's right. All right, so thanks a lot, Rosemary, for sending